Living in New York City can be really tough, and so I really value having a night routine that relaxes me and that feeds my soul well. Today's video is going to be my night routine, specifically talking about self-care. I'd really encourage you to stay tuned towards the end of the video. I describe what I think true self-care is, and that it's not always about face masks and buying yourself things, but how you live your life and your habits. So at about this time, I'm usually ready to get out of my business casual clothes since I have to wear them for school. So I head into my room and I get changed into gym clothes because if I have classes in the morning, I will usually just work out at night. But if I have classes at night, then I'll work out in the morning, vice versa. Today just happens to be a night where I'm gonna be working out at night. And whenever I get home and I immediately put on workout clothes, it just puts me in the mindset that, okay, Michelle, your body, you're gonna work out. Working out is so important for my mental health and my physical health. I think that it is so vital. I try to work out 5 days a week, especially since I have a gym in my apartment now, which is so nice. I personally believe that self-care actually begins with your skincare. This year I'm trying to be super minimal with a lot of things, so clothes, toiletries. If you look in my cabinet, I have like no toiletries, and that's because I want to use products that are good for my skin, that are good for my body, and that are made with good ingredients, which is why I'm so excited to share with you guys Filane. If you guys didn't know, your skin absorbs 60% of whatever you're putting on top of it, so you should really be feeding it well. I also live in New York City, so the pollution here, guys, is intense. All Filane's products go through a 5-step process, and it's made to ensure that you are only putting the best ingredients on your face. So they currently restrict, I think, over like 30 different things. I've been using the Clean Essentials kit. It includes travel sizes of 4 different things: cleanser, a toner, a moisturizer, and also a soap, which we have currently been loving in my bathroom. The kit is usually around $45, but the first 150 people to go purchase it with a link down below will get 60% off, which makes it $18. So let's do this. I'd also like to note that my workout routine changes a lot. I just really love running, but let me know if you'd like to see a week of my workouts. I'd definitely love to do one of those. So I just got back from the gym. I just ran 3 miles, and then I also went ahead and did some arm workout. And I'm about to cook dinner. I basically cook myself dinner probably at least 4 times a week. I keep it really simple. I'm just making some sweet potatoes, a salmon burger, just the patty. And then I also like to cook up some broccoli, and that's kind of like my go-to dinner. It's really easy. I'm also gonna turn on a podcast. I love podcasts. I've been listening to a lot of different ones lately, but I need to finish one that I was watching from JC Marie.
And I was like, I think we just have to realize that there are good and bad in every group.
So while my sweet potatoes are cooking, I like to go ahead and get my shower in because they take about 25 minutes in the oven. Usually now it's around like 7 o'clock when I like to do this. So I'm typically not a huge essential oils person, but I have been trying to use lavender at night. I will put this like under my nose, behind my ears, on my wrist. Calms me down at night, kind of soothes me. So my sweet potatoes have about 10 minutes left, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my salmon burger to pop into the oven. So while I sit here with absolutely no makeup on, I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about what I personally think self-care is. This is a term that I feel like has been going around a lot lately, and I think a lot of people associate it with, you know, doing nice face masks, buying yourself nice things, kind of doing nice things for yourself. I kind of have a different approach to this. I think self-care is all about knowing what you personally need, what's good for your mental health specifically. For me personally, that's making sure that I'm spiritually fed, which is why I journal at night. It's making sure that I'm healthy, that my body gets to to sweat out some toxins that it gets, to give out all that pent-up energy that's within it. Nourishing my body with healthy foods, not, you know, eating stuff that my body's like, hey Michelle, I'm not really a fan of this. It's using clean, simple products on my face. It's going to bed at 11 o'clock and waking up at 7:30 every day. It's spending time with Jesus, getting all my homework done so I'm not stressed and anxious, not doing a face mask when I know I have a paper due the next day. It's being wise with my money and knowing that God has given me money as a tool to further his kingdom, and so I should use that wisely, and thinking of myself less. I just wanted to throw that in because I think the world kind of tells you a lot of different ways that you can care for yourself, and I think a lot of those messages are really toxic. Let me know down below what self-care is to you. I would really be interested in hearing. Like to eat my dinner right here. Some nights I'll eat with my boyfriend because we have a really nice patio, but for now it is just me and my dinner. After I eat dinner, I like to come in here and just finish up anything that I didn't get done during the day. I like to do my homework at school if possible, just so my home and my apartment is a place that I can come to relax. Obviously, sometimes I have stuff to do and that's fine. But today I'm just finishing up some YouTube stuff. I posted a week of my life video, and so I'm reading all of y'all's comments and they're all so sweet. So thank you guys so much. This always puts me in the best mood before bed because you guys are so supportive and loving. So at this point, I'm winding down. It's probably around like 10:30, 10:45. I've been trying to get off my phone about 30 minutes before I go to sleep, and so I will put up my phone and I will read before I go to bed. This is a book that I'm reading. It's by Tim Keller and it's The Meaning of Marriage. I'm not getting married anytime soon. I believe that we have very confused images of what marriage is, how important of an institution it is, and it also just talks a lot about relationships in general. I just think it's a good book if you want to check it out. And now I'm ready to hit the hay, so if you like this video, let me know down below. Let me know if you like vlog style videos. Let me know what other things you would like to see from me. Subscribe if you're new. I post 2 times a week usually. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.